Hi, Ray Hayden here, and in another step of updating our kitchen, we've removed our, this is a stainless steel microwave oven, and then we got the white microwave oven to replace it. This one here still works, but they're kind of a pain to take care of the stainless steel. You see I got fingerprints all over it just by taking the thing out of the wall, and the white one over there is just nice and neat and pretty and easy to go in. Now we got the white refrigerator in here. Let me put on automatic settings. We got the white refrigerator, and the kitchen's a lot of light colors and everything else. We like to keep it that way. And the next update would be these double ovens to go to white ovens as well. This is a space for the microwave oven that it came out of. It does have the rear vent. We're not going to use that. We're going to have the recirculating air so it blows out through the front. And the reason why we bought the white one the way we did is because it takes the exact same mount. I don't know about anybody who's had to replace a microwave oven. It is a nightmare if you have to replace the mount. So my wife, Miss Demeanor, made sure that we got a microwave oven that had the exact same mount, and she got it, and we go ahead and picked up today. So the next part of this clip you'll see, hopefully, will be Pablo helping out and Buddy. But anyways, no, we'll have it in place up there and hopefully not crash into the stovetop below. We'll have some cushions under there for that just in case. All right, so stand by for the next part of the clip, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, Ray Hayden here. We're back, and the microwave is successfully installed, as you see here. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Miss Demeanor gets mad. All right, so this is the bracket. The bracket was actually attached to the back of the microwave already. Like, I'm looking through the box saying, where is it? I mean, they gave us a microwave, but they didn't give us a mount for it, but it's actually attached to the back of the microwave. The old microwave, the stainless steel and black one that we had, which kind of matched the stovetop there, and matched this stuff over here, that still works. So we're going to have that as a backup. We're just going to put it in a box, store it away, and have it on hand if needed, right? If something ever happens to this one here. They take the exact same bracket, and it's very, very easy to use, very easy to install. It took very little time to do this. I had Miss Demeanor do her Hercules imitation and lift this thing up after she got the wire up to the top and then got this thing held in place. Then I did the gentlemanly thing that I could do and have her hold it in place so it doesn't fall. We had blankets and pillows and stuff under here for that. And then I did the manly part and just put in the 3 screws that hold it from tipping down, right? So everything was fantastic. So thank you very much, Miss Demeanor, on that. She's here, but she won't get on the camera. I want to put her on the camera, but she keeps running away. Anyways, so the cats are enjoying the packaging. We'll be taking away the plastic from them in a minute. All right, so that was it. Microwave, easy to exchange. And I already know how to change the fuse if it blows in there because I had to replace the fuse on the other one. And we got a spare bracket for that too as well. All right, so that's going to wrap it up for this one here. Instantly install a microwave oven. Though I didn't show you the steps. It's really, in all honesty, unless I set up on a tripod and show the whole thing, and it's a 2-person job. You need somebody to hold this in place while somebody else tightens the screws in the cabinet above. All right? Another cool thing about the microwaves, by the way, the attachment into the top of the microwave oven, the screw, the nut that you're screwing into from above is kind of loosey-goosey in the top of the microwave, which gives it a little bit of play because nobody ever gets the holes in the cabinet perfect. So they know that, and they kind of allow us to be able to have a little bit of wiggle room to get the screws in there, secure this thing to the cabinet so we don't have a painfully expensive problem with our stovetop below, all right? So that's going to wrap it up for this one. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, drop a comment below, let me know that you came by to say hi, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate the growth on the network. Until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.